Have you ever pondered the power of silence and respect? Can they coexist? Can one command respect without uttering a word? These are questions that may seem paradoxical at first, but the answer is a resounding yes. Silence, my friends, is not absence, it's a presence, a powerful one. When used with intention, silence can speak volumes. It can communicate strength, confidence, and yes, respect. Imagine this: a man stands tall, his shoulders back, his gaze steady. He does not speak, yet his presence is felt by everyone in the room. His silence is not a void, but a statement. It tells the world, I am here, I am confident, I am worthy of respect. This is the power of silence. It's about body language, posture, and eye contact. It's about being non-reactive to violence and instead responding with quiet strength. Let's explore how silence can become your most powerful tool to garner respect. Silence isn't the absence of communication, it's a language of its own. Have you ever considered how silence can speak volumes? Just as a painter uses negative space to emphasize the subject, you too can use silence as a tool to underscore your presence. It's not about withdrawal, but about conscious restraint. When faced with aggression or violence, the instinct is to react, to retaliate. But what if you chose silence instead? This non-reactivity isn't a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength. It's a declaration that you won't be baited into pointless conflict. Your demeanor also plays a vital role. A calm, composed silence can have a profound impact on others. It creates an aura of mystery that draws people in, making them eager to hear what you have to say. It's the silent equivalent of walking tall, exuding confidence without uttering a single word. So silence can be powerful, but how can you make it work for you? Confidence speaks louder than any words, and it resonates even when you remain silent. Let's delve into the art of quiet confidence. It's not about an imposing presence, but about the subtle signals that you emanate. It's about the way you carry yourself, the posture that silently communicates self-assurance. It's about the power of your gaze, the eye contact that conveys an unspoken understanding and respect. And when you do choose to speak, it's not about the volume, but about the tone. A balanced, steady tone communicates strength without the need for shouting or grand gestures. It's the quiet assertion that you know your worth and you're not here to prove anything to anyone. Remember, quiet confidence isn't about suppressing your voice, it's about making sure that when you do speak, your words carry weight. Your quiet confidence can command respect, but there's one final element we need to address. Charisma, the secret ingredient that makes silence golden. That's right, folks, this elusive quality can dramatically enhance the power of your silence. But what is charisma, really? Essentially, it's an irresistible blend of confidence, charm, and authenticity. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, even in the quietest moments. Now, charismatic individuals have this uncanny ability to command respect and attention without uttering a single word. How do they do this? Well, it's all in their presence, the way they carry themselves, their nonverbal cues, and their quiet yet potent aura of self-assuredness. But here's the kicker. When they do choose to speak, they opt for words that are thoughtful, meaningful, and impactful. They know that quality trumps quantity, and they use their words sparingly but effectively. So remember, charisma can amplify the power of your silence. It's about showing, not telling. And that's how you can turn your silence into a powerful tool to command respect. So how do you command respect without uttering a single word? Well, it all starts with your body language. Stand tall, hold your head high, and occupy space confidently. These silent signals are incredibly powerful, projecting an image of self-assurance that others can't help but respect. Next, harness the power of eye contact. A steady gaze can communicate volumes, showing others that you are both confident and attentive. Your tone of voice is another crucial factor. Even when you're not speaking, the way you carry yourself can speak louder than words. A calm, steady demeanor shows you're unshakable, drawing in respect like a magnet. Non-reactivity to violence or aggression is a testament to your strength, demonstrating your ability to stay composed under pressure. This silent resolve is a mark of true respect. Finally, charisma and self-confidence are key. These qualities enhance your silent power, making your presence felt even in your quietude. Remember, silence is powerful, and with the right approach, it can command the respect you deserve. Start your journey of improvement, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be aware of the next step.